Today on Mike's Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious cheeseburger burrito with hot peppers and onions. So let's get started. Okay, before we start making our cheeseburger burrito, I'm going to use this large silicone handle and put it right on there. Man, that makes it nice. Okay, now all we got to do is set our burner to medium. Let that heat up a little bit. Put some oil in the pan. Now we're going to add our frozen hamburger patty. It's a 1/4 pound all beef patty. We'll put that right on there. And we're going to defrost that a little bit, maybe a minute or two, and see how it does. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. Let's see how we're doing here. We're going to flip him over. Okay. Now we're going to cover that and let that defrost a little more. Maybe another minute or two. Okay, let's give her a check. Looks pretty good. We'll just go ahead and break it up. Yeah, we're going to leave it somewhat chunky. Okay. Now we're going to add our yellow onions. That's about 1/4 of a yellow onion. Right there. And we're going to add our green peppers here. These are mildly hot Poblano peppers. That's a 1/2 one. And we're going to stir that around a little bit. See any big chunks of meat there you want to break up? Go ahead and do it. It's starting to smell really good here with the onions. Okay, now we're going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Yeah, we like pepper. And garlic, onion powder. And just because we like it, smoked paprika. Alright. Gives it that smoky flavor. Now we'll stir that in. Yeah, I can start to smell the seasonings there. They're really good. Okay, we're going to lower the heat a little bit, medium-low. And we're going to cover that and let that cook just a little bit and let those peppers and onions soften just a little bit. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Yeah, they look good. All right. Okay, good part about cast iron is that'll stay warm until you make your burrito, which is good. So we'll just cover that, put it aside, and turn our burner off. Now we're going to take our round cast iron griddle here, put that right on there like that. And we're going to take our tortilla, put it right in the middle like that. Now we're going to get our ground meat mixture. Put that right in the middle. Okay. Yep, that's going to be a big one there. Okay. Now we're going to take a few tomatoes. These are diced. You can put them in there. Make it nice. Okay. Now we're going to add our cheese. 2 pieces of American cheese. We're going to break that in half. Put it right on there. Now we're going to season this up a bit before we fold it up. So we'll put a little bit of salt, not much, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder. And because we like it, smoked paprika. Yeah, that's good. Okay, now let's see if we can fold this up. It's a bit juicy. It's going to be a juicy one, so we'll fold him up. Just like that, and we'll tuck and roll. Just like that, there. Wow, that's going to be a big one. All right, that looks good. It's a big one. That's full. Okay. Now we're going to cover that a little bit. And to see if we can actually toast him up a little, we're going to set our burner to medium and let that get nice and hot and toast up the bottom. Okay, let's see how we're doing toasting. Let's roll him over. Oh yeah, that's perfect. All right. Boy, does that smell good. All right, let's toast that side a little bit. Maybe a couple minutes. Boy, I can't wait to get into that. Okay, let's give her a check. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, let's get that out of there. Oh yeah, this is beautifully toasted. You can't beat that right there. Boy, I'm gonna tell you. The cheeseburger burrito with hot peppers and onions, and we put some diced tomatoes in there. Yep, you can't beat that right there. Okay. Can't wait to get into that. Well, there you have it, guys. A cheeseburger burrito with hot peppers, onions, and we add a little bit of diced tomato. And don't forget the cheese. There's a lot of cheese in there. Yeah, we're just gonna have to get into a bite of this. Okay, let's see how we did. Oh yeah. Can you see that? You can see the tomato and everything in there. Wow. Is that beautiful? Yep. Okay, we're just gonna have to get into a little bite. Oh yeah. Wow, the taste. You're gonna love this. This is so tasty and juicy. Yep, no doubt about it. It's one of my favorites. Okay, let's see if we can get this around here where you can see it better. Okay guys, you're gonna love these. That's all I gotta say about that. Yep, if you like a little bit of the hot peppers, the flavor, you're gonna love these. That's not too hot, because when you saute them up, it loses some of the heat, but boy, does it make it tasty. Yep, you know what would go good with that? A wobble pop. That sounds good.